Have a drink.
Hold on for a second or two. I don't want to start disrespecting the crew. I won't put a weapon to you. This is a lesson you Jew. I swear to God, if you don't give me money when I'm asking, it's like I ain't asking, I'm telling. Y'all motherfuckers know a mask on a fella means that I blast your gelatin. And that's what I turn your body into. I hope that you think you would never rob me. Dude, it's a bad choice. We got some bad boys. I swear to God, you think I'm nicer than Fab Royce? Anybody that you ever heard in your fucking life? No diss to these cats, but yo, I'm times them fucking twice. And I don't even try.
Dark face.
Not at all. Yeah, you get robbed and all. As soon as I'm spotting y'all.
Spotting y'all. Straight on the block. A little nigga tap me like, Fizzle, say that. I see his ass. Don't do shit. No rookie nigga. This ain't no new shit. So sitting here and I pop a nigga. Fuck around, then it's time to go. Niggas mad, I'll fuck your hoe. Put it in the wrong hole. She don't like it, fuck the bitch. I am here reluctantly. I'm just doing because I fuck this shit. And Fizzle here, what you wanna get? Yo, these niggas mad, but I hype dudes.
Huh?
Yeah. These niggas mad, but I hype them too.
Yeah.
Now watch it, niggas understand they hype me. I got a sniper on the sniper that you got trying to snipe me. I'm sitting here, I'm focused. Come out 7 years, a locust. I am crazy. Did you get it? I said a locust coming out 7 years when I was sitting in that tier trying to understand the difference between fermented orange juice and beer.
No, man. You feel me?
Fumigated. I can talk. I'm sorry. It's a little
Yeah. That's raw and exclusive, baby.
I never heard the word he's saying, fumigated, but I know that your bird is waiting and my sperm is waiting.
Is it percolating?
Make a motherfucking baby squirming, thinking, why the fuck am I born? Yeah, I just murdered Satan on his own track and don't give a fuck. If you better learn, I'm saying that I'm a motherfucking furred up saying, a super one. I'll shoot your son. I don't give a fuck. I'm King Cooper. I bust them shells. What the fuck? You motherfuckers know I'm from the hell that you make sure you pray to stay out of. And I just skip around and I don't give a fuck because you ain't getting down, and everything that I'm living up, you're living down. And if you're sitting up, I make sure you're sitting down. And this ain't no workout, you ain't pushing up on no bitch that I know, cause your pussy she already know. Motherfuckers know who the fuck I really be. This is really we, this is really me. You a silly G, a silly rabbit. Go ahead, Fizzle, let these silly faggots really have it.
Yo. You know what I tell them? Yo, I say, I'm gonna make your bitch put in work, night shift. Cuff her to the bed, read her rights, nightstick. It's all night, bitch. I'm gonna change your attitude and something you like, bitch. You see exactly what I mean? When I got to be, I could turn a church girl into a freak. This is what I do. This is nothing new. You want some more bars? Well, fuck it, it's coming soon. I'm sitting here and okay, beat
yeah.